Okay. Uh, in previous video, we arranged the given rational number in the order of from least to greatest. Okay, greatest to least, whatever are there. Same. Some function is also here. Arrange in descending order. Just only change the word descending order. It is not stated that from greatest to least. It is known as descending order, which is also known as the descending order. Okay. Now first 3 by 4, 6 by 7, 9 by 12 and 7 upon 8. These fractions are in different denominator with different denominator. First of all, change all the denominators are same. Taking LCM of 4, 7, 14 and 8 here. LCM of these denominator 4, 7, 14 and 8 is 56. Now change all the fraction with denominator 56. If we want to change 3 by 4 and 56, we should multiply it by 14. So we also multiplied by 14 with numerator. 3 into 14, 42 and 4 into 14, 56. Now in second fraction 6 by 7. If we want to change 7 into 56, we should multiply it by 8. So multiply here 8 in both numerator and denominator. 6 8s are 48 and 7 8s are 56. Same as in next 9 by 14. 14 multiplied by 4 and 9 multiplied by 4, 36 upon 56. And in last 7 upon 8. 7 multiplied in both numerator and denominator, 49 upon 56. Now look here. 42 upon 56, 48 upon 56, 36 upon 56 and 49 upon 56. In all fraction, denominators are equal. So now compare these fraction. All are positive. So greatest digit, the greatest fraction is 49 upon 56 because its numerator is greatest in other numerator. Okay, now first write 49 upon 56. Second one 48 upon 56, third 42 upon 56 and last 36 upon 56. 49 upon 56 is greatest and 36 upon 56 is smallest. Now substitute the value of each fraction. 49 upon 56. 49 upon 56 is equal to 7 upon 8. So we write here 7 upon 8. 48 upon 56 is equal to 6 by 7. So we write here 6 by 7. Same as for 42 upon 36. 42 upon 36 we can write 34 upon 4. And in last for 36 upon 56 we write here 9 by 14. So these order from greatest to smallest, which is also known as descending order. Okay, good. Now we will start next exercise 1b. Exercise 1b. Question number 1, 2, 3, 4 simply. Okay. Here we explain the question number 5. On the basis of question number 5, you can solve question number 4 and 6 also. First, look at the question number 5. First part of this question. It is given that verify the following. Verify the following means prove that left hand side are equal to right hand side. Okay. Here, what is the property? It is known as associative property. First term plus second term and third term. Here, first term plus second and third term. Okay. Taking left hand side, 5 upon 8, 9 upon 8 and 13 upon 8. First of all, simplify the bracket term according to the Bode-Morse rule. First we solve the bracket term. Here both fraction are like fraction, denominator are equal, so simply take it as LCM and we write minus 5 and 9. Minus 5, 9 is equal to 4 upon 8 and 13 upon 8, 13 upon 8, 13 upon 8, there is no change. Next step, again denominators are equal, so simply take 8 as LCM. 4 plus 13, 17 upon 8. It is the value of the left hand side. Left hand side value is 17 upon 8. Now discuss about the right hand side. We write right hand side minus 5 upon 8, 9 upon 8 and 13 upon 8. According to Bode-Morse rule, here we also first simplify the bracket term. Okay, taking 8 as LCM, 9 plus 13, 22. Again denominators are equal, it is like fraction, so taking 8 as LCM, minus 5 plus 22, we write here 17 upon 8. In first left hand side, value of left hand side is 17 upon 8. Now value of right hand side is also 17 upon 8, so we can say that left hand side is equal to right hand side. Simply it is proved, hence proved. Now you can solve question number 4 just like previous question number 5. Here verify the following: 3 upon 8 minus 2 by 3 and minus 2 by 3 3 upon 8, and second these two terms. You should first of all change both the fraction into like term, taking LCM 8 and 3 24 and simplify. Okay, after this you can same process apply in right hand side, you get same result on both side. It is also in you can apply in second part. Okay, now proceed to next question. Additive inverse. What is additive inverse? Additive inverse means just opposite of a given number, whose number and its opposite number, sum of any number and its opposite number, additive inverse number is equal to 0. So additive inverse of a given number is just opposite of that number, opposite sign of that number. If number is positive, then its additive inverse is negative. If the additive number is negative, then its additive inverse is positive. Look here, additive inverse of 4 upon 3 is minus 4 upon 3 because it is positive, so its additive inverse is minus 4 upon 3. And next, additive inverse of minus 9 upon 8 is 9 upon 8 positive. If the number is negative, then its additive inverse is positive. If the number is positive, then its additive inverse is negative. Okay, now it is your homework, you can solve at home. Find the additive inverse of each of the following: 10 upon 11, 0, 21 upon 8 and 11 upon 8. These two questions are very interested, so try to solve these two questions. Be careful. Okay, now we discuss about the 7th question of exercise 1B. 1B, 7th question. Arrange and simplify. Okay, here given fraction are in like fraction, means whose denominators are equal, so there is no problem. Simply take LCM 17 17 17, so 17 as a LCM. But first of all simplify the fraction. Here positive negative multiply positive negative is equal to negative, and plus minus minus. Okay, 28 upon 7, 35 upon 7, and here minus plus minus, minus plus minus 23 upon 17. Now 17 17 17 17, so 17 as a LCM. 28 17 1 is 17, so 35, 17 1 is 30, 17, so no change. 16 17 1 is 17, so no change. 23. Now simplify positive term together and negative term separately. 28 plus 35 63, and minus minus it should be add, but sign will be negative. Okay, 28 35 63 and minus 16 minus 23 is equal to minus 39. Now simplify these two terms, positive negative, result will be positive, sign of greater digit. 24 upon 17. You can change this fraction into mixed fraction, 1 whole 7 by 17. You can write 1 whole 7 by 17. Okay, now it's your homework, try to solve at home. Arrange and simplify. First of all change the sign, plus minus minus, and here only positive, so no change. And then take LCM 2 5 10, LCM is 10. You can solve. Okay, here second part 2 by 3 minus 3 upon 5, 1 upon 6 and minus 8 upon 15. Simplify these two sign, plus minus minus, and here plus minus minus, and take LCM of 3 5 6 and 15. I think 30 as LCM. You can solve. Okay, in third part same process, plus minus minus, plus minus minus, and then take LCM 5 3 5 3, 15 as LCM, and you can solve. Try your best. Okay, all the best. Now start 11th question of exercise B. Question number 11, 12 and 13, most important question. Listen carefully. In this question, given that what should be added to minus 7 by 12 to get minus 19 upon 60. So let us suppose that second number be x. So it is given that 7 upon 12 plus x is equal to 19 upon 60. Transfer minus 7 by 12 right side, so its sign will be changed. Minus 7 by 12 change into plus 7 by 12. Now taking LCM, 60 and 12, 60 as LCM, 60 ones are 60, so no change. And 12 fives are 60, 12 fives are 60, so 7 multiplied by 5. Minus 19, 35 upon 60. Simplify these two numbers, 16 upon 60, or we can divide both the term by 4. 4 4s are 16 and 4 15s are 64 upon 15 as a answer. In 12 question, what should be subtracted from 14 upon 15 to get minus 1 upon 30? Let us suppose that the number be x, minus 14 upon 15 minus x is equal to minus 1 upon 30. Transfer minus 14 upon 15 to right side, so its sign will be changed. It is minus 14, so when you transfer to right side, it will be positive sign. Minus x, minus 1 upon 30 and 14 upon 15. Taking LCM, 30 and 15, 30. So minus 1 and 15 to the 30, so multiplied by 2, 28. Now simplify 27 upon 30 and divide both the term with common number. 3 9s are 27 and 3 10s are 30, and minus transfer to right side. Now question number 13 of exercise B. What should be subtracted from this number to get 1 by 2? Let us suppose that number be x. So this minus x is equal to 1 upon 2. According to Budmore's, first of all simplify the bracket term. Here 4, 3, 15. So 60 as LCM. 4 15s are 60. 3 multiplied by 15. 23 is a 60, so 1 multiplied by 20, and 12 5s are 60, so 2 multiplied by 12, minus x minus 1 by 2, no change. Okay, 3 15s are 45, 21s are 20, and 2 12s are 24 upon 60. Okay, minus 1 upon 2 transfer to left side and x transfer to right side, so both sign will be changed. Minus plus half change into minus half, and minus x change into plus x. Okay. 60, simplify these number, 89 minus 1 upon 2 and x. Again taking LCM, 2 and 60, 60 as LCM. 60 divided by 61 times, so no change. And 2 30s are 60, so 30 multiplied by 1 is equal to minus 30 x. Simplify these two number, 59 upon 60 or x. Okay. On next video, we will discuss about the exercise 1C. Solve your question, and if you have any doubt, you can discuss me with my contact number. Okay, goodbye.